Hi, my name is Lana, and I would like to tell you more about how it was working with Saiful. Saiful was one of my first ever team members. He was working with multiple clients that I found, and every single project that he was working on was successful. He's really hardworking and kind person. Sometimes he was doing things that are not in his job description. He's really amazing with his social media management skills. He was able to gain organic niche focus followers for all of my clients. None of my clients ever complain about the results, and I'm working with him since, I believe, June or July last year. As I said, he took about 7 or 8 of my social media management projects, and some of that clients are still with me within my